Hello. So I've been asked by one of your classmates to sort of clarify how to submit the assignments for the last part of the course. So I'm in here as a student right now, and I'm just going to walk through it, and hopefully it'll be helpful to many of you. The first thing I need to do is go to my assignments folder, which is over here on the left. Click on that. Scroll down to the bottom, and you'll see the final projects folder. This is pretty much where you need to be now. Click on the final projects folder, and here you have all of the links for everything that you need to do to finish out the course. You have your final annotated bibliography, which is worth 200 points. So make sure that it is a final corrected version, that you've looked at all of the previous feedback and applied it all, or that you've asked me how to do it right. The final exam study guide is an extra credit thing that you can submit in this slot. The final exam is in this folder. Click on it. Read the exam instructions, and these two exam links will be open until Friday at 5 p.m. So you want to make sure you get them done by then. Going back here to the final projects again, the revision plan resubmission links are all in this folder. These are not required, but if you if you didn't turn some in, they may be affecting your contract grade. So if you go and do them now, they should be helpful for you as you're doing your revisions, but it also may boost you to where you are now within contract compliance, and that can be helpful to you in case your final papers are not quite where you would like them to be. And finally, the portfolio submission links are here at the top. So I click on this folder. The portfolio assignment is here that explains the instructions, and then the 4 links are here: the letter to the reviewer, the final rhetorical analysis, the final stasis analysis, and the final research paper. I'm looking at some of those final research papers today if they've been submitted, and you can submit these as many times as you want between now and the end of the week. I would suggest, if you're getting the same grade more than once, that perhaps you might want to have a conference and find out what you can do to move your paper from one level to another, what revisions you can still do. Again, I'll remind you about Right on Gateway, which is tomorrow night, Tuesday, and I will be there from 2 to 7 p.m. at the Boone Campus Library, and I would look forward to seeing you there. Let me know if you have any questions, and I hope this has been helpful. Thanks.